I bought this only a year and a half ago, and it stopped spinning and heating. It looks like it works, but it doesn't. I've got extended warranty because of the Costco Visa card, but in the meantime, what do? I hate cold pizza and sushi. Turns out, because both the turntable doesn't turn and it's not heating, it most likely means that the door switch has malfunctioned, which is good because the switch is cheap and easy to replace. I won't show you how since there are plenty of videos out there. But if you're lucky like me, try this. Move the door up and down to see if the table starts turning. And in my case, it does. So I made a wedge to prop the door up when cooking. But if you want to permanently fix it, you'll need to get the door switch replaced. As far as warranty goes, I originally called Costco Concierge. They told me to call the store since it was a small appliance. The store never picked up my call. So I called Panasonic, and they never picked up my call. And finally I called an authorized Panasonic service center, and they said the diagnostic charge would be $30. And depending on the problem, it would cost over $100 to repair, not including shipping. But why would I do that? I bought the oven for $100. Anyways, with my wedge fix, I have time to figure out what I need to do. Thank you for watching.